Autofill, flash fill, and autocomplete. If you want to speed up your work with 100% accuracy and make Excel do the heavy lifting for you, then this video is your golden ticket. Today, we're unlocking the power of autofill, flash fill, and autocomplete, tools that will save you time, eliminate errors, and make you look like an Excel wizard. Ready to level up your skills? Let's dive in. Mastering Excel's smart tools. These tools are like your Excel sidekicks, ready to speed up your work and make repetitive tasks disappear with just a few clicks and keystrokes. Are you ready to become an Excel wizard? Let's jump right in. Wow. 1. Autofill, the smart drag and drop magic. First up, we have Autofill, Excel's ultimate shortcut for filling data in a flash. How does autofill work? Look at any cell in Excel. Notice that tiny square in the bottom right corner of the cell? That's your fill handle, your magic wand. Click it, drag it down, right, or across, and boom. Excel continues your pattern. Examples to blow your mind. Type 1 in a cell, drag the fill handle down, and Excel counts for you. 1, 2, 3, like magic. Type Monday and drag it. Whoa! Excel completes the week for you. Type January 1st, 2025 and drag. Your timeline is ready. January 1st, January 2nd, January 3rd, and so on. Pro tip. If you want more control, right-click and drag the fill handle instead of left-clicking. It opens a menu with options like fill series, fill days, fill months, and more. Autofill is not just a tool, it's Excel's superpower level 1. 2. Flash fill, Excel's mind reader. Next, let's talk about flash fill, one of Excel's smartest features. It doesn't just copy, it understands patterns. How does flash fill work? Say you have a list of names like John Michael Smith in one column, but you want just the first names and last names in the next column. Type John Smith in the first cell of the second column. Press Ctrl+E or go to Data, Flash Fill. Whoa! Excel fills in all the first names instantly. Other cool uses for flash fill. Extracting numbers from text. Combining first and last names. Formatting phone numbers or email addresses. It's like Excel has ESP. It reads your mind and does the job. Just Ctrl+E and let Excel handle the rest. 3. Autocomplete, the friendly typing assistant. Now, here comes the quiet hero, autocomplete. This feature is like having Excel whispering in your ear, "Hey, didn't you mean to write universal again?" How does autocomplete work? If you type universal in a cell and later start typing U in the same column, Excel will suggest universal for you. Just press enter to accept the suggestion. Key rules for autocomplete. It only works in the same column. Rows don't count. There should be no blank rows between your entries, or autocomplete will stop working. It works best with unique entries. If multiple words start with U, Excel might get a little confused. When autocomplete won't work. If there are blank rows breaking the sequence. If the column has data validation with drop-down lists. If mixed data types, for example, numbers, text, are present. Autocomplete is subtle but powerful. It's like having a tiny Excel assistant finishing your sentences. 4. Custom lists. Train Excel to know your data. Now, let's step up the game with custom lists. Why settle for Excel's predefined lists like Monday to Sunday when you can make your own? How to create a custom list. Go to File, Options, Advanced, Edit Custom Lists. Click on New List. Enter your list, for example, Ollie, John, Jack, Andrew, Lakshman. Click Add OK. How to use your custom list. Type the first name from your list. Drag the fill handle, and Excel will autofill the rest. Custom lists turn Excel into your personal assistant, ready to handle any unique patterns you throw at it. 5. Quick tips and tricks to level up. Before we wrap up, here are some quick power tips. Ctrl+D copies data from the cell above into the current cell. Ctrl+R copies data from the cell to the left into the current cell. Double-click the fill handle, fills data down to the last row of your dataset automatically. Caution zone. Always double-check autofill patterns to avoid accidental errors. Keep blank rows to a minimum to ensure autocomplete works smoothly. 6. Conclusion. Excel Mastery Unlocked. Wow, what a ride! We've unlocked the secrets of autofill, uncovered the brilliance of flash fill, leaned on the helpful whispers of autocomplete, and even trained Excel with custom lists. These tools aren't just features, they're Excel's superpowers. But hey, don't just watch, practice. Open Excel right now, play around with these features, and watch your productivity skyrocket. And that's a wrap, Excel champs. Did you enjoy this video? Was it helpful? Let me know in the comments below what you'd like to see next, more tricks, advanced techniques, or specific Excel tutorials. If you found value here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell button so you never miss an update. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep shining with Excel magic. See you in the next video. Bye for now and follow for more.